Banana pancakes for breakfast. Start by chopping 2 banana into a blender. Add sugar, pour milk, blend them and take into a bowl. Add flour, pour melted butter, salt, baking powder, vanilla essence, and mix for this result. Into a preheated pan brush some butter. Pour the batter in like this. After some time flip them couple of times. Take it out. Serve with butter and honey on top. Subscribe. Japanese style souffle pancakes in home. These are the ingredients. Start by separating egg yolks from whites. Pour milk and keep mixing. Add vanilla extract. Then flour with baking powder. Whisk egg whites while adding sugar until became smoother. Combine everything together. Into a preheated pan rub some butter. Put the batter like this. Cover it for 2 minutes. Then flip. Take it out. Serve with butter and maple syrup on top. Subscribe. Chocolate banana pancakes for breakfast. Start by smashing a banana into a bowl. Crack an egg. Pour honey, also milk. Whisk a little, and add your flour, cocoa powder, baking powder. Mix properly until become like this. Into a pan brush oil. Pour the batter in. After some time flip it. Take out. Serve with chocolate chips and maple syrup on top. Subscribe.